In our weekend iPad course, we learned about the application of this important technology to the future of education.
I'm excited about using the iPad as a presentation tool. Having an iPad means I'll have to carry and therefore remember less stuff.
I think one of the nice things about working with the iPad is that we turn students into active participants in the learning process. And the nice thing about iPads is that we can give students a task and ask them to solve a problem, and then they can use the iPads to do research, and then use some of the tools that are contained within the iPad, like Pages, Keynote, iMovie, to report back to the class what they learned.
We like the Blurb app and feel that it's effective for teaching social skills.
As the psychologist in the elementary schools, we all get to go into each class, and I can use the Blurb app to help the kids develop a ebook about their feelings, and then they'll be able to reflect on those feelings.
A couple of the apps I love for social studies are Flipboard as a centralized news source for kids, and also the New York Public Library's Biblion, which has a dynamic and novel representation of the 1939 World's Fair.
As a math teacher, this gives a realistic opportunity for an entire class to collaborate on certain problems. I could give a problem, and if you pair the iPad with something like Apple TV and our smartboard, I can have multiple kids doing a specific problem or task, and then show it up on the screen where kids can go over the process all together without having to constantly move around the room, and everyone gets to kind of work together to discuss different problems and how we might solve it in different ways.
There's no doubt that during this class we've seen the incredible potential of the iPad. When you think of the different disciplines represented by the participants here, I can only imagine things that will grow out of our experience. We really think we're seeing the future in the palm of our hands.